Okay, here we are at the WDE. Oh, it's flashing. WDE elevator at Amsterdam Central Station. The old part of the station. See? Up. Ah. I like these buttons. And the doors. See? Platform 1 and 2. Oh, it's coming. And it's slow. Slow. Oh, here it is. See the rails and the cab view. Tiny, but basic. So, WDE 630 kilograms or 3 persons. Go to 1. See 1. There goes the door. It's very slow. It has bumpers. Indicator 0. One. Here we are. It is very old rails. See? Down. 0. It is all bumpers. Let's test them. See? 0. The old rails. And the indicator again. Zero. 1. Here it is. And that's it.